Miss Lily and all of you folks out there that want to learn how to crochet slowly. Let's get started. Here is some cotton yarn, and this one happens to be by Lilly. And we turn this over and we see that it's a number 4 medium weight, and you go to where you have a crochet hook and it will tell you the crochet hook that you need to use. In this one it says 5 millimeters, which is a USH hook, and there will be 2 ends to your yarn. One will be on the outside, and I usually just stick that end back under the label, and then you've got to go in there and hunt for the middle, and you just kind of work your fingers in, and then you pull out, and a lot of times you get a wad, which is fine, and then we'll just undo that. And the easiest way is to start from the ball and then go towards the end. And we call the yarn coming out of the ball the working yarn. And of course, on this side, it's just your end yarn. Okay, so now you have your yarn ready, and you will need your H 5 millimeter hook if you're using a medium weight yarn. And as I said, you can look on the yarn ball, and that you'll be sure to be using the correct yarn. Now, I just hold my needle just kind of like this in my hand, and there's lots of people that hold it differently. And the big thing as you start out, just be comfortable with the way that you hold it. Now, let's just make a slip knot so that we can get started actually crocheting a little bit. Now, the way I do my slip knot is I just put it around. I just take the end like this, and I go around a couple of fingers is easy. And then from the back, you just pull. It looks sort of like a pretzel, and you just pull from the middle, and then you just pull in, and you slip then up to the knot. So here's your tail, and then here's your working yarn. And as I said, I just hold my hook like this. You just start out with what's comfortable to you. Then we're going to wrap the working end of the yarn around your little finger. You're going to come in front of your 2 fingers in the middle and come around the top of your index finger. And sometimes when you start, you might want to wrap it a couple of times. The big thing, you're just wanting that to flow, just, you know, go through your fingers easily. That's all for this time. Be looking for lesson 2. Be sure to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.